Hello, can everybody hear me? Because the sound is terrible. Okay. Can I implore you to come a little bit closer because people are trying to pass by? Don't worry about the photo guy. He's very tall. He's going to be behind you. Okay. So the world of industry is changing. We live in the age of smart manufacturing. And you can't take two steps in any direction without seeing Industry 4.0 plastered on the booths. I mean, only in Luxembourg Pavilion there's multiple companies in the same sphere. What we mean by that is a shift from the way we're managing the production processes, a shift from relying on the experience and intuition of our engineers to make decisions to data-driven decision making. And this is not a choice. This is not a fad. This is an inevitability. It's a tough word. And it's only a matter of time before companies adopt and adapt or risk falling too far behind. Saving money and time on assuring the uptime of your assets with predictive maintenance, cutting the time to market and phasing out quality control with predictive quality. And have you recently seen your energy bills? The prices are skyrocketing. Use the data, learn from it, and use the algorithms to get recommendations on reducing and optimizing your energy consumption in order to, without slowing down the production. These used to be the benefits reserved only to those that have enough resources to invest in developing new software solutions or hiring data science teams, until Wizata. With our platform, you can make a digital twin seamlessly, and by that we mean creating a digital replica of all your assets and performances and have access to it with any device at the tip of your finger. Use our ready-to-use AI, that's a bell, use our ready-to-use AI to discover insights into your production and reduce costs in both maintenance and energy consumption. Last but not least, use a single source of truth for the health and performance of your production, easily deployable and scalable on any asset and facility that you may have. Join our family of satisfied clients and use our ready-to-use AI to reduce the cost of your production. Thank you.